For your weather on the 4s.
The time now is 6:14. Let's check your weather on the 4s. I think we're looking forward to a nice Tuesday morning here, Thomas.
Yeah, so far this morning it's actually quite comfortable out there, but by this afternoon it won't necessarily be all that comfortable as we're going to get more heat, we're going to get more smoke, more dry skies, and is there any relief in sight? That's the big question. Maybe by the end of the week into the upcoming weekend we'll find some of that relief, but we'll talk about that in just a moment. But for today, as we get more smoky skies, we're still dealing with poor air quality, and from Ogden down to Provo, right along the Wasatch Front, air quality is expected to be unhealthy for sensitive groups, and you're going to find that carries over also into Duchesne County and also Uinta County. Meanwhile, the rest of the northern half of the state and that moderate air quality very similar down towards the southwest. Maybe a little bit better as you make your way towards Iron County and Washington County, but still the air quality not going to be the greatest as we will have some hazy skies. In the meantime, here's the view from Lake Mountain, a beautiful view this morning, but you can definitely tell that there is a little bit of a haze out there. It's going to look pretty for the morning as that'll act as a natural filter for some of the light with that sunrise, but as the sun gets some angle on it, it won't look all that pretty. And it's what we've been dealing with really over the last handful of weeks. Temperature-wise, as you're heading out the door, it's 45 degrees in Logan, so a chilly start to the morning. 63 degrees in Salt Lake City, nice and comfortable. And down in St. George, 72. So it's a warm start to the morning down in St. George. And really, no matter where you are, even if it's cool outside currently, it's not going to be cool outside by this afternoon, as daytime highs are going to be climbing into the 90s in most locations. In Logan, you're going to be at 89 degrees, and in St. George, 105 for a high. And with that kind of heat, it is also going to be dangerous heat. So for St. George and for Zion National Park, we'll have an excessive heat warning that will go into effect at noon today. Will last through 9 o'clock in the evening on Wednesday. If you have any plans to be outside for an extended period of time, make sure you're careful, find shade, and also make sure that you pack plenty of hydration as well. We'll begin watching your weather for you. So the reason our weather is not going to see many changes over the next couple of days is we got this dome of high pressure sitting over us. Not much of a change tomorrow, and really not much of a change heading into Thursday. But as that high pressure moves a little bit farther down to the southeast, right along the Four Corners, with more of a southwesterly flow, the temperature in Salt Lake City could actually see the upper 90s for Thursday. But from Thursday into Friday, as that high pressure continues to move down to the south, fades away a little bit, we'll begin to see the temperature ease just a little bit, and you'll see the temperature trend in Salt Lake City over the next 5 days. We're peaking at 97 on Thursday, then we'll be looking at lower 90s Friday, and then middle 80s on Saturday, and that could also come with a slight rain chance as well. Meanwhile, in St. George, hazy for today and tomorrow, temperatures in the triple-digit range for sure, but slightly cooler temperatures still staying in the triple digits with a slight rain chance by Friday. Along the Wasatch Front, smoky through Thursday with temperatures in the upper 90s for your Thursday, then a slight rain chance Friday into Saturday with some slightly cooler temperatures, so we'll at least see a reprieve in the heat by the time we get into the weekend.